All right, it's not quite Army of Darkness, but who doesn't need a mini chainsaw? Let's check this thing out.
A few hours later.
This mini cordless chainsaw by Saker isn't going to quite fit in your pocket, but it is pretty small. It's got a maximum cutting capacity of just under 4 inches and comes with a handy strap. So when you're climbing trees, you're not going to drop it. So this screw here, you loosen this up and that'll give you some slack in here in the mechanism. Put your little handy dandy screwdriver they sent you in this hole and adjust the tension on your chain. But this is brand new and that seems pretty good. Just a little bit of slack. Freshly charged battery. Let's go see what it can do. Almost forgot, they give you this handy dandy chainsaw oil. Put a little bit of this on your chain. Let's go. I put on my lumberjack shirt and I got some brush here. Let's see. Not bad, 1¼ inch oak. Not the cleanest cut in the world, but it's a chainsaw. What do you want? So this Saker mini chainsaw goes for about 90 bucks on Amazon right now. Sometimes you can catch a coupon, get a little bit cheaper, but how much does a full-size chainsaw cost? They're starting at 200 bucks and go up from there, and then you have the hassles of gas and all that other thing. Will it start? Won't it start? I'm thinking this is going to be pretty handy to have around the house. Need to cut a few branches off, trim some shrubs, something like that. This is going to be much more easier to deal with than getting the Husky out or the Steel and trying to get that thing started. Maybe it's something you want to check out.